Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to construct a diagonal scale of RF 1/500 to show meters and decimeters and long enough to measure up to 80 meters. On your scale, show 54.5 meter, 35.1 meter and 21.8 meters. So first we need to draw guidelines. Then we'll write given data, representative fraction, that is 1/500, maximum length is 80 meter, so we have a formula, length of scale, which is LS equals to RF into ml. RF is 1/500 into 80 meter, that is 80 into 100 centimeter. So that would be 16 centimeter. We need to show 54.5 meter, 35.1 meter and 21.8 meter. So first we need to draw a line of 16 centimeter. Height will take 5 centimeter. So now we got this 80 meter long scale, right? We need to divide this into how many parts? 8 parts. See, this is 80 meter long scale, which is 16 centimeter. We need to divide into 8 parts because maximum length is 80 meter. Zero, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Remember that it is 80, right? So if you divide 80 into 8 parts, you will get meter on both the sides. You won't get meter decimeter. So this is more important, right? So representative fraction is 1/500. Now we need to divide this 1 meter into 10 parts. Because we need to mark 54.5, 35.1. So we'll divide the first block into how many parts? 10 parts. Then we'll mark all these points down. Then if you don't know the diagonal scale principle, then you can see the video which is on the right hand side corner. Then you join 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Then you divide the vertical line also into 10 equal parts. We'll mark 5 millimeter. Because we have taken 50 millimeter, so we can take 5 millimeter and we'll draw horizontal line. So over here we are getting decimeter. See this. You can write 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. we need to mark 21.8. So 20, then 1. So I'll write 2, 4, 6, 8. And here I will write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 21.8. So 20 plus 1. And on that line you go 8 up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See this, 21.8. Then 35.1. 30, see this, 30 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1. So CD is 35.1. Then 54.5. 54, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 54.5. Thank you.